Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best docking station. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is C HDMI docking stations. Specifications: brand name LKLB, model number OLJ, length 20.4 cm, width 57.3 cm, material aluminum, type laptop docking stations, Type-C hub docking station, USB-C adapter, USB-C HDMI. Certification: CE, EAC, FCC, RoHS, UL. Number 4 on our list is 15-in-1 USB-C docking station. Specifications: brand name TMT, model number 811, material aluminum, certification CE, type laptop docking stations. Number 3 on our list is HDMI DisplayLink USB-C docking station. Specifications: brand name HDMI, model number CD100, function HDMI compatible, card reader RJ45, standard USB 3.1, ports 13, interface type USB Type-C, 3 monitors, triple different display, compatible with M1, M2 devices, 100 watts power delivery, 2.5G fast Ethernet, cool LED strip lights. Certification: CE, FCC. Number 2 on our list is Ugreen Thunderbolt 4 docking station. Specifications: brand name Ugreen, model number U709250885, function HDMI compatible, card reader RJ45, standard USB 3.1, ports 13, interface type USB Type-C, extended monitor 3, max transfer speed 40 gigabits per second. Certification: CE, FCC, RoHS. Number 1 on our list is 11-in-1 docking station. Specifications: brand name Basis, function HDMI compatible, standard USB 3.0, ports 11, interface type USB Type-C, material metal aluminum alloy, USB hub USB-A 3.1 port, 10 gigabits per second transfer speed, USB CPD 100 watts input. Certification: CE, FCC, RoHS.